This riff is from the song called Hey Ho by Red Hot Chili Peppers. So to play this riff, we need few chord shapes. That is 6th fret on the 5th string and 6th fret on the 4th string, and holding 4th fret on the 3rd string. So this is like a G sharp minor chord, but just playing these 3 notes, that is 5th, 4th and 3rd. So we have holding that shape, we got to pluck 5, 4, 3, 4. Then we do this little hammer on and pull off. So then again we go back to that 4th string 6th fret and back to 4th fret on the 3rd string. So that will be there. So that picking is throughout that chord progression. Then we have this next shape is we have 7th fret on the 5th string, 6th fret on the 4th string, then 4th fret on the 3rd string. So plucking the same on the right hand will be. Next we have same shape, but we just move to 6th string, 5th string and 4th string. That is 7th fret, 6th fret, 4th fret. Again we have 6, 5, 4, 5, and we do that hammer on and pull off on the 4th string now. So 4 to 6 hammer on and pull off, then 5th string 6th fret, then back to 4th fret on the 4th string. So then we go to the 4th chord shape, that is 9 on the 5th string, 8 on the 4th string, then 6 on the 3rd string. So we use our little finger to that. So again we do that hammer on and pull off on the 6th and 8th of 3rd string, then 8 on the 4th string, back to 6th on the 3rd string. So coming to the first shape. Then we go back to that same first repetition. The last chord here it will change. So we go 6 on the 6th string, then 4, 4 on the 5th string and 4th string. So we are barring with the index finger here. Sorry. So we have 6, 5, 4, 5. Then we do that again, hammer on and pull off from 4 to 6 on the 4th string. Then 4 on the 5th string, 6 on the 5th string, then 4 on the 4th string. So the second progression.